know everybody I go like we, still we irate. Do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Make them know success don't come overnight.
I buy two packs of canicle on here, and I'm going to try to do a big plait. Don't know what it's called.
Actually, I'm not sleep tonight.
If me not sleep tonight, come out exam, and them talk about exam at 9 o'clock, I'm sure say at 1 o'clock I sleep on the board, but
If you want class, I said 9.
and 9 o'clock they come timetable.
Nobody follow your eyes.
What's gonna work?
Wait, hold on.
This ketchup good, I'm going to get stuff good.
All the roots. All yours.
Alright guys, that was a failed change of plans. I'm gonna just get it up regular and put on my plait. One string catch up my ear because I don't think we can use a scrunchie. When him a scruncher. Look, this high enough, right?
No. Put it for.
Then I hear a strangle me man.
Them say bad news, no clinic tomorrow.
How is that bad news
Exactly.
for anybody?
So you just have to hold it together and put it
But what am I
together.
to do with this? With my ear?
She said that.
See when you know?
Well,
But the area tough for me.
Yeah, them type of hair.
Instagram.
May I try to put them together? Like, is this a bad idea? To do this?
Yeah, at least split the red in half. Yeah, use a lot of
At the
Yeah, it's a bad idea in front of the fan, most definitely.
Is it blended?
that me just think to myself that this not look like it a blend.
Alright, so when you have
I think
plait,
it's a go blend when you have
blended.
plait. When you have start plait, it's a go.
Cut off this for me. Take this is too much for plait on.
You look like no.
Okay. Take out some of the red. Why?
I'll tell you, it's when you have your hair, when you have plait it and make the black or the red part show.
This girl will tell me that I ever even do this.
You have to knot it with the elastic band like
I
a
should
knot.
I have it here to here.
No.
No, you sound
That
like
was
you're
easy.
used to ear.
That was your video. Put that hair over your natural hair.
That fine.
Wait. I feel like the elastic one time more over your ear.
Let's breathe.
Hey.
Yeah.
Here.
Too soft.
Wait, look. No, let it go. Girl, you know if you let it go, it's gonna happen. More loosening. Yeah.
A Lucy and one Lucy?
Yes,
Okay.
yeah. The too full, it can't go down. No, I'm stuck.
Now before next go. Okay, your choice. Straight on here, actually. Then
Enough! Is this plait going to dry though?
You're trying, AC trying. Just take it out and cut it. Just go stand and say belly now.
It's all got to bend, so but it was just thing. I'm gonna clip it up. It got better. I'm gonna clip it up. I'm gonna have to tie on my head because I can't afford for my ear get fuzzy, so we're right almost there and we gotta go. So I tie on my head and
You guys will see pictures though on Instagram.